Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a TikTok nail art haul. So there's this lady that I'm following from China on TikTok. She does some really great lives. So I ended up buying 30 nail gems because I did ask for small ones so they could be for nails. For it was about 20 quid, I think, £20 something, and I got free shipping. And she's put in lots of extras as well. So this was all at random. I didn't choose anything. So here we are. Sorry for the crinkling. I'll just put them out at the side and then we can go through them. So here, so I got 30 bags and I asked for small ones and there is over 30 in here, so I will count at the end. So I've got these really pretty little gems, love those. And then this, let's get this out. Okay, we've got some cute little bows. If you can hear that noise, it's my kittens playing. Yeah, some bows. Oh look, there's some little teddy bears there as well. You see? I can't see my screen too great, so I am sorry about that if I'm out of frame or whatnot. Okay, then I got some of these. I've got these already, so I'll put these into a giveaway. Oh, these, I believe they are the changing ones. Yeah, look. So there is all different shapes in here. So we've got some stars, the roses, there's bows, there's hearts. They are cute. Okay, this one is the same as the pink but in blue. They're really pretty. She put in some glitter, just these holographic hexagons. Then these holographic butterflies. Very cute. Oh, we've got two of these. I don't know what these things are called. She was saying what they were called. Oh, these are adorable. Can you see them? Is it focusing? I'm not sure it's focusing. Oh, come on. Here we go. So they're pretty cute. So I'll keep one and put another one in a giveaway. Then I got a mixture of bows, roses, some hearts in a pink. Then I got, oh, these are really nice. I think I got these in two different colours. So they're the Mickey Mouse heads. Then I got some blue holographic hexagons. And then some more blue ones. That's a lighter blue than this. Then I got some like red iridescent bows. Cute. And then all these paw prints. What's up with my camera today? There we go. They're cute, aren't they? Okay, that's those. Then we have some cherries. We have some roses. Oh, I think these ones change as well. Yeah. So these cute little butterflies. And then, what are these? Oh, they look like tulips, I think. Different colour tulips. Then, no, they're not tulips. Some sort of flower anyway. These are the tulips. Come in all different colours. Then I got another pack of these. Or has it fallen? Yeah, I got 2 of these. What's that? Oh, these change colour as well. So they're the blue ones. Then they're the purple ones. Cute. And then I got, a bit hard to see this one. Again, a different different mix with, oh, they're really sparkly, like iridescent. So there's like teardrops, stars, different shapes. They are very cute. I'm whizzing through this because I don't want the video to be so long. Then these iridescent bows. And what are they? Let's see what these are. Oh, cute. They're like, what's her face? Oh, they change as well. Like Hello Kitty. Very cute. Then I got these things. I mean, I won't use them. They're a little bit too big. So, again, I will stick them in a giveaway. Also, these are really pretty, but I just have no use for them. They're like mermaidy. Then we have another mixture in pink. Do I have 2 of those? If I do, I will put it in a giveaway. Then these, I don't know what these things are. They're cute. Oh, some more of these mermaidy things, but in a gold. Oh, some more tulips. Yeah, I see that here. So I'll stick one in a giveaway. Another mixture of these in a different colour. Then some lollipops. Oh, my back is killing me. And then some holographic flowers. And then some black gems. They're lovely. I like those. Then, oh, these Mickey Mouse heads. Oh, they don't change. I thought they changed. No, Mickey Mouse heads. And then we have some cute bows. And some lollipops. I've got some lollipops. I can't remember where I got them from, but I will stick them in a giveaway. These things look really cute. Oh, took them all out. I'll stick them on my hand. Oh my god, they're so cute. Little teddy bears. That looks like a Hello Kitty. These are so cute. Oh. And then this one is teddy bears. Oh. There we go. Adorable. That noise is my kittens running up and down. And then some iridescent bows. They're really pretty, like a peachy colour. Another one of these mixes. These like little blue ball thingies. Like caviar beads. Ooh, hair on it, lovely. Then some hexagons. And some more of these like mermaidy things. Why is my phone not focusing? Come on. And then another mixture. Why doesn't it focus? And some hexagons. Cats are crazy. And then these cute little teddy bear faces. Cute. And then she put in a mirror. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then I got this. To my honey, a surprise for you. Hope you like it. Wishing you happy every day. Love you. Oh my god, the kittens. Yeah, love you. That's a WhatsApp number from Tina. Let's see what's in this one. Oh my god. Kittens are crazy. Oh, these are cute, like pearl. So there's moons. Little circles, flower. They are cute. And then these are bloody adorable. Oh my goodness. Let me stick it on my hand. Are these? Yeah, they're glass. Glass little elephants. Now, if you know me, you know that I adore elephants. So that is really cute. Love absolutely everything that I got. I mean, the ones that I have doubles of, even these glitters, I'm sure I've got them in my collection, so I will stick them in a giveaway too. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I will really appreciate that. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Take great care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next one. Oh, and Happy New Year. I haven't been on since, I think, the end of November. I haven't uploaded. So hope you all had a lovely Christmas and got spoiled rotten. And yeah, and Happy New Year to you all. Bye bye.